Gina Pennick McLean, and this is my dad, Gene Pennick, and we're the family behind Pennick Organics. Our Digger's Delight line was developed for southern gardeners using local raw materials. We're introducing the Digger's Professional Planting Mix. It is a basic all-purpose mix for those applications when you need a little more weight, and it's great for amending beds, or you can use it in containers.
This is a professional growers mix, a product that professional growers ask us to make to their specifications. They wanted a product that would drain properly, had adequate moisture holding but not too much, and more aeration, and that is this special soil. And we think you will be just as happy as they are with this product.